if you are a beginner to Linux, the first and foremost thing you need to understand is how to navigate between directories in Linux. The first command you need to know about the directory is pwd, present working directory. Right now I am in the root. If you want to change your directory from root to your home directory, you just type in cd and now you are in your home directory. You are logged in as Snowflakes. If you type in pwd, you are in home Snowflakes. Also, if you want to list the files in your home directory, right now you are on the home directory, so ls -la will list all your files including hidden files. A means all files, L means use long listing format. If you want to ignore the hidden files, you type in ls -l. So now you are not seeing any hidden files. And if you want to clear the screen, just type in clear. You will get a fresh screen. So now you are in your current home directory. So let's see what are the content of our home directory, ls -l. And you see there's a color difference. Backup, farming, fishing, they are all D directories. Others are files. So you have 3 directories under your home directory. If you want to change to backup, cd backup. So now your present working directory is pwd home Snowflakes backup. So let's say we create another directory under the backup, mkdir tennis. I'm going to create a folder called tennis under backup. So let's type in ls and you see there are 2 things under backup, which is flowers is a file, tennis is a directory. So if you do ls -l, you will see tennis is a directory, this is flower. So let's go back to 2 directory. So let's change that to tennis, cd tennis. Present working directory now is tennis backup Snowflakes home. If you want to go 1 directory up, you type in cd ... Dot mean current, another dot mean the previous one. So if you type in cd dot, you will be staying in the same directory. You are still in tennis. Another dot, you will be going to from tennis to backup. So let's go back to cd tennis pwd present working directory, this one. And if you want to list the file in Snowflakes, you can type in ls $sign. $sign means the current user home directory. You see, you are listing the current user home directory content. Also, you can go to the current directory using cd pwd is now you are in home Snowflakes, and do ls and you are going to get the same results like here. You also can do like this, ls dot /. That means you are listing the content of the current directory. So dot / means current directory. You see, you are getting the same content like ls from your home directory. Also, you can do ls dot this one. That means you will be getting the content of, let's do pwd. You are in snowflakes. Let's go to cd ls, and cd we go to backup pwd. Let's see what we have in here. So let's go to tennis. pwd. So you are in the tennis directory, and if you want to list the content of backup, you do ls // you will be listing the content of backup, that is previous directory. That's what dot is current directory, this is previous directory. Also you can say ls root directory, you will be listing the content of the root directory. So this is how you navigate between directories using cd command and slash and dots in Linux. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification.